In a tech landscape dominated by social giants and AI disruptors, Pinterest Incorporated, NYSE Pins, has quietly carved out a lucrative niche, and its stock is starting to reflect that momentum. Once seen as just a digital mood board or a place to plan weddings and recipes, Pinterest has evolved into a formidable visual search engine and e-commerce platform. With a powerful mix of artificial intelligence and commerce-focused tools, Pinterest is emerging as one of the most underrated growth stories in the tech sector, and savvy investors are paying attention. Pinterest's fiscal fourth quarter of 2024 showed clear signs that the company is not just surviving in today's competitive environment but thriving. The company posted $1 billion in revenue for the quarter, marking an 18% increase year over year. That's not a trivial jump. It signals a return to strong growth after years of gradual evolution. More importantly, the real spark came from Pinterest's advertising revenue, which surged by over 90%. This signals a successful pivot toward performance marketing, where advertisers pay for measurable results like clicks and conversions rather than just impressions. The key to this growth? Pinterest's increasing mastery of lower funnel tools. These are the systems that help convert interest into action, essentially turning a pin into a purchase. While Pinterest has always been about inspiration, this deeper focus on converting that inspiration into transactions is where it's starting to really cash in. This also places Pinterest in direct competition with e-commerce platforms and social shopping apps like Instagram and TikTok, but with a twist. Pinterest's users are already in a discovery mindset, which naturally leads to higher purchase intent. Analyst sentiment confirms the company's growing appeal. On May 5, Brian White from Monnes maintained a buy rating on Pinterest with a price target of $50, reflecting strong confidence in the company's direction. White praised Pinterest's strategic upgrades, particularly its efforts to make the platform more advertiser-friendly and to expand its shopping ecosystem. He also pointed out Pinterest's resilience in the face of a shaky economy and rising competition, qualities investors tend to value highly in the long run. Looking ahead, Pinterest is expected to deliver solid performance in the first quarter of 2025. Analysts project 15% year-over-year revenue growth along with a 10% increase in monthly active users, MAUs. That last figure is crucial. Pinterest thrives on scale. The more users pinning and browsing, the more valuable its advertising real estate becomes. And with visual search becoming increasingly mainstream thanks to AI enhancements, Pinterest is perfectly positioned to capitalize. What's particularly interesting about Pinterest is its long-term trajectory. The platform's evolution from a passive idea board to a full-fledged discovery and shopping ecosystem is being powered by machine learning and deep visual AI. In an age where consumers are increasingly driven by imagery, Pinterest's technology gives it a powerful edge. This isn't just a social media platform anymore, it's a visual engine for consumer behavior. Pinterest's user demographics also work in its favor. Its user base is largely female, often with strong buying intent and interest in categories like home decor, fashion, health, and food, exactly the types of markets where ad dollars tend to flow generously. As the company continues to enhance its shoppable pins and in-app transaction features, it's effectively building a new kind of online mall, one that starts not with a product, but with a spark of inspiration. Despite all of this, Pinterest stock still trades with a relatively modest valuation compared to its bigger social media peers. That presents a unique opportunity for growth-minded investors. It's a company that isn't riding hype waves but is steadily building a more effective, commerce-driven version of itself. To sum it up, Pinterest is no longer the underdog, it's a quiet force poised for consistent growth. Its improved monetization strategy, expanding user base, and unique position at the intersection of social media and e-commerce give it strong upside potential. If you're looking for a stock that might not make headlines every day but could deliver rich returns over the next few years, Pinterest deserves a place on your watch list.